Hold on. I'm back there.
Are you fit? Yeah, it's actually not bad, huh? It would actually fit the car seat too.
And we scoot it up, and she's good to go. Watch. Now she's got the room back there.
I like this. Just don't like that.
I like it.
So go around this one and then we'll go around the other one.
Okay.
And then you're gonna say, "Give me a better car for my husband." Hey, you got a cop on your butt cheek. Get it off, mom. Please let mommy walk out like that.
She sure did. And it's from sewing her beanie. Which one? Which one? Decisions, decisions.
And let's go to the yellow one.
Alright.
You got that one bigger. From the front to the back, from side to side.
Side to side. I don't like that one. Baby, you're in my angles. You're in my angles. Honey. Be nice. Let's go to the back.
Yeah, that is airflow.
Beep beep. Which car do you want?
Huh?
Which car do you want?
Yellow.
What you doing, baby?
Just eating.
Eating your chicken nuggets?
Yeah. While Dad is just going into park.
Daddy just pulled in. Daddy's. Can you guys? No, I don't think you guys can see. Only I can see. It's in my mirror. Maybe not. But anyways, we are at CarMax. Looking for a new car for Daddy, right? Because he deserves it. Well deserved. He takes care of us. No questions asked. Doesn't hesitate. Anything we need, he gets for it. Even when we don't need it, he gets it. So I'm letting him test drive cars. And I'll be getting him his car, which is like super exciting for me because I always wanted to do something for him and like show him that I'm thankful. So buying him his car is like amazing. Like it's a good feeling. And then you and Daddy could have daddy-daughter dates in the car when I'm at work. You guys are gonna go on cruises together?
We're gonna go crazy when she goes to work.
You guys are gonna go crazy when I go to work?
Yeah.
Silly girl. But yeah, we're at CarMax right now. We took a little break. He went to go test drive cars. And then I went to take her to get something to eat because she was cranky. And now she's happy with her Happy Meal. So we're just waiting for her to finish eating. We'll see how the outcome is. We've actually been car shopping for
A week ago?
a couple of weeks. It's something, when you're shopping for a car, you don't want to rush into it. Because then you rush into it, and then later on down the line, you're like, I wish I never, I'm sorry, I'm like trying to find where I look. I wish I never like rushed into getting that. So that is what we are doing. Hopefully he finds the car and you guys will see which car if we do get it. I hope he does. I hope he enjoys it. I love the car. I know it's like, it's something that he wants. Like it is. It's everything that he wants, if I'm being honest. So fingers crossed everything goes good. And if it does, we will show you guys the end result. Daddy's got his car over there.
Let's go to the bathroom and then we out.
Daddy's car. How do you feel?
Like the happiest motherfucker alive. I have to bleep that out.
We'll just do a quacking noise. Hold your scarf. Daddy's cars. What an early birthday present.
Thank you, gorgeous.
Daddy's early birthday
That's what we
present.
say. But if my mom says anything, oh, it's my birthday present, thanks.
Yep.
You want to give me 10 G's to put on the car? Thanks. For my birthday? Nah.
Happy birthday. And it's got a bow, so it really is a present. Everything you wanted in your car.
That shit is sick. It got all the options. And it's V6, it's only 50 to fill up. You know what I'm just curious about? Is how much the tags are.
Look at that handsome man. Happy birthday.
Thank you, love.
Love you.
Love you.
Alright, you guys, so y'all really can't see me, but I'm driving right now and we're leaving the dealership. And it's official. My husband finally got the car that, you know, he wanted. When we initially got the Honda that we do have right now, we got it because it was like small, for one. Two, we needed a car right then and there. And three, when we did get the car, I didn't even know I was pregnant. Like, didn't know at all. So that's another reason why we got a small car, because we're like, oh, we don't need a big car because it's just us. And we didn't plan on having babies, but our baby was a surprise baby. And, yeah. But he finally got the car that he wanted, which is, you know, a nice, sporty, manly car, his car. Like, I'm so excited for him that I'm able to, you know, do this for him, because he deserves it. He really does. He does everything for us. I'm getting teary-eyed. I can't cry. I'm driving. Stop it. But he does everything for us. If we need anything, like, he's got it. Even when we don't need anything, he gets it. And he works his ass off. And he deserves it. So, for me to be able to give this to him, it means a lot. It's my way of thanking him and showing him how appreciative I am of him. Because, oh my God, I just want to tell him, like, you know, that I love him and that I appreciate him for always putting us first, meaning me and my daughter, our daughter. He always puts us first. Baby's right there. So it is the next day. We made it official.
Yeah, but we're going to Nina's to drop me off.
Hubby got his car. So glad I could do that for him. Makes me excited because, like I was telling you guys last night, I was a mess. It was emotional. It was in the moment. It kind of really made me mad because you guys couldn't really even see me. But I am very, very, very thankful and appreciative for everything that my husband does for me and our baby. He always puts us first, and he always makes sure that we are good and we are taken care of. I'm not going to get too much into it. You guys already seen the clip. I'm not going to start crying, my makeup, and I'm not going to be crying again.